Okay, love bugs, this one here is giving body. This one here is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Super fire. So today I teamed up with IDEFINEWIG and they sent me over some fire. This one here is a 14-inch wear and go brown highlight wig. She's giving Bobbiana. She came pre-styled with these beautiful fluffy curls and that beautiful salon quality color. I did go ahead and do a simple beginner friendly install. We even played with the curls a little bit more just to give them our own little splash, and I love it. The hairline is flawless. I added a little baby hair just for a little bit of me, but you can definitely go ahead and skip that step. But again, we stepped on this one. She's absolutely fire, a showstopper, and I'm going to show you how to install her in under 5 minutes. So if you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started.
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Wavy is family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best. Yeah. Ashley Bedeck. Yeah. Family love, we locked in. Yeah. Let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Wake up, grind mode, mama gotta move. Kids in the backseat, dancing to the groove. Who's been by my side, yeah, he never lose. We built this bond tight, something you cannot do. Big dreams, little feet, running through the halls. Messy little rooms, but they're worth it all. Packed days, but I answer every call. Family over everything that's lost. Late nights, long rides, everybody fed. Blessings on blessings, I keep us ahead. Laughing in the kitchen till the tears get shed. Love so strong, it'll knock you dead. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fold, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Dance mom days, big bows on deck. Sports mom nights, whole crowd on flex. Running up miles, but I never feel stressed. Cause I do it for the fam, yeah, I know we blessed. Switch lanes quick when the schedule tight. Still show love when we kiss goodnight. Kiss on 10, but the vibe still right. Home full of joy, yeah, we shining bright. House loud, but the love stay louder. Heart strong, but the family make it prouder. This kind of bond got unshakable power. Every single day, yeah, we grow like flowers. Yeah, I feel the love surround me. Yeah, it's the thing that keep me grounded. Yeah, when the world gets cloudy, my family lights it up around me. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fold, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies.
Okay, love bugs, and just like that, we are done with this look. I'm looking at my thing and it says 30 minutes, but I'm sure it only took me like 15 minutes max. Now this here is that girl. I am super excited. When I seen this wig on the IDEFINEWIG website, I had to have it. I just knew that it would look so good against my little chocolate complexion, and I was right. I've been into the bobs. I'll be 40 in like what, 2 years, 3 years? And I feel like I'm starting to come into like that whole like mature look, and this gives that to me. Not only does it give mature, I feel like the younger girls can for sure rock this one too, but I just love the way this one looks, and the fact that it comes with the curls straight out of the box, but you can amp them up. You see how beautiful and effortless it was from the beginning, and I did kind of go in and just play with it just to see, you know, if it can take a curl, because sometimes you will get a wig that's pre-curled and it's kind of like it only wants to do the pre-curls. It doesn't necessarily want to do, you know, what you want it to do, and this one definitely does. You can for sure manipulate it. I did a few things different than I normally do with this one being that I used hairspray and I did not use any wax. I also used mousse, and these things are just because I feel like because this is a blonde wig and you've seen it came with such fluff and bounce, I personally love that for that effortless look. I feel like a wig like this doesn't need to be tamed and like sleek. It can be a little bit fluffy, and it of course will get oily and, you know, develop its own natural oils, especially touching your skin over time, and I was right. So the mousse helped me to go ahead and snatch the hairline, as you guys can see, and I did it without using, again, the wax, which is gonna weigh it down. And specifically what I mean by that is a wax will weigh down or make a blonde hair or just color hair in general look a little bit more oily faster. So I didn't want the streaky oily look. I wanted the puffy fluffy, you know, like blowout look, and we achieved that, and I did not interfere. Now I also did something different with the parting, which I mean, of course I've done it many a times before, but it's just I've been so used to waxing down my partings and making them super flat, even when I want a fluffy but voluminous look, that I forgot the plot. Like, this doesn't need to be like plastered down and then fluffy. It should be fluffy from root to tip. And I did see a viral video of a stylist like saying like the influencers, the YouTubers are ruining the hairstyle community because they want to flatten down the parting, and y'all know that's me through and through. So I did take a page out of that book and I did go a little bit deeper with the parting so that it's not as pronounced and defined. And while it's itching and I'm itching and I'm, you know, definitely wanting to go in and do what I'm normally used to doing and what I like, I'm definitely again trying something different just to see and get a different outcome. So you don't have that super bright parting where like it's defined and it has that super bright color. It has a deeper color in there, which is the 16, which is also what I still use anyway for my hairline in there, and it looks really good to me. Now I'll see what it looks like when I leave the house or how I feel about it, but for right now I really love this look because again it looks a little bit more natural. It looks a little bit more, I guess you can say, effortless. Like, we know this is a wig, but it doesn't have to look wiggy, so it's all perspective. If you think it looks more wiggy when we like press it down here with the hot comb and add that super bright tint, or if it looks better fluffy here and you can't see a parting. I don't know. You let me know in the comments what your opinion is. This one here is 14 inch. It is 180% density and it's a size medium cap. Be mindful or keep in mind that the medium cap fits super snug and like a glove. I believe you've seen it when I put it on. The lace fits super flat and flush to my hairline. The lace on here is super bomb. I feel like sometimes it feels like we're getting a shortage on lace, maybe, I don't know, but the lace literally has not been hidden the way it used to hit like in the 2020 era. I feel like I've been looking at like pictures and videos of me with my kids and my family from that era, and the lace, I'm not gonna lie, it looks a little bit more seamless and better then. And I know we went through the lace shortage in 2020, and this gives me that. It gives me old school lace, and I am for sure here for it. As always, you guys know it's about 3:21, so we're 20 minutes late headed to the studio. My kids are just gonna have to miss their first class today because I had to sit and have a little kiki with you guys. So give me some tips and tricks on how you would go in and perfect this one yourself, and also give me a grade. Let me know how you think I did on this one. So I will have a direct link as well as all of the details to this beautiful girl in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.